Hi friends, today I want to unboxing ta-da! Blind box from Papa. The first one I ever unboxing is one Cry Baby from Popmart from my mom's friend, and the second one is from me from my friend at home, and then this one is from Popmart. Okay, let's unboxing. I buy Labubu, the Coca-Cola one, and Chipupu, this one. Chipupu. Actually, I want to unboxing this one first, and I will unboxing Labubu at the second video, part 2. This one. So let's open it. This is all of the characters here. I really want the secret, like the secret, so let's unboxing it. One, two, three. Okay, I have to close my eyes. It's hot. I have to open my eyes. Okay, and this is the part. Which one should I open? What is this? Hey, we got a flower. I left the flower. This one is snuggle with you. This one. Okay, let's open it. I got snuggle with you. Oh, I think this one. It's this one. Okay, let's open it. Oh, it's cute. Oh, it's not the pink one. The fox. It's a fox one. They have still. So cute. And this one is the flower. I don't know where it should. Oh, we have to put the flower on like this. Wait, let me show you. And this is it's like this. The flowers go here, like it's holding a flower. And this is the car. Sing song. I don't know what that's mean.